Hi everyone, my name is Renato Souza. I'm from Sorocaba in Brazil, and that's my final project of CS50 in Python that I called Pokemon Photo. That consists in receive an input of a Pokemon name or number, get from an API the photo, and return in an image the Pokemon number name and the photo. Let's see how it works. Python project.py. Well, let's input a name of Pikachu. Let's see. We'll get some font errors, but it's okay. Pikachu is here. Let's open. It's here, Pikachu. Let's input another one by number this time. Let's input Tyranitar number. It's my favorite one. Tyranitar is here too. Let's input by name again and Greninja. Greninja is here. Nice. Let's input a Pokemon that don't exist. Like Eggmon. It's a Digimon, not a Pokemon. So Eggmon doesn't exist. Please tell me another Pokemon name. Let's input the last one, Charizard. Charizard appears too. It's done. Do you want to get another Pokemon file? No. Check your folder to see the Pokemon photo. See you later. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you like my program, my video. Thank you for watching. See you later.